Here's what I do with my old t-shirts that I no longer wear or can't wear, or they have holes in them and whatnot. I turn them into shop rags. This is just a basic undershirt, but it could be for any cotton t-shirt. This is a tank top undershirt. Doesn't matter though, if you got any old t-shirts that are cotton especially, and you don't know what to do with them and you'd rather not toss them out, or if you just need some shop rags, there you go. Cotton shirts make great shop rags. I have a whole box full of them. Just a general life hack that you can do that costs you nothing, basically. Check out our channel, all kinds of life hacks and shop hacks and unique stuff coming soon. So subscribe to our channel. Appreciate you watching.